English for listening and practice.
Morning greetings.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Pretty good.
My name is Ella. I'm a computer programmer, and I live in New York.
I'm Smith Wilson. I was once a student at Harvard University. My major is history.
That sounds great and interesting.
Goodbye.
Okay, see you.
Bye.
Casual conversation.
Hello, March.
Hi, David. How's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Busy. I've been working a lot these days.
What do you do?
I'm a nurse.
That's interesting. Where do you work?
I work at the city hospital.
Do you like your job?
I love it. What do you do?
Not much these days. I'm looking for a job.
What kind of job are you looking for?
I'd like to work as a computer programmer.
Well, good luck.
Thanks you.
Chatting with Martha.
Hi, Martha. What are you doing?
I'm sending an email to a friend.
Do you use email often?
I use it every day. How about you?
Me too. I also surf the net for ideas and sports.
The internet is great, isn't it?
It sure is. Hey, Martha, would you do me a favor?
I want to check my email too.
No problem. I'll be finished in about 5 minutes.
Thanks.
Meeting new friends.
Hello, I'm Austin Milan.
Nice to meet you, Austin. My name is Cindy Kevin. It's a pleasure.
Where are you from?
I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. How about you?
I'm from Vancouver, Canada.
What are you doing in the United States?
I'm traveling on business.
I'm a little nervous about meeting Amalia tonight.
Who is Amalia?
She's my blind date.
Oh, I can see why you might be nervous.
Yeah, I want to make a good first impression. Any advice?
Just be yourself and try to be polite.
But how should I start the conversation? What should I say?
Ask her about her job and her interests.
Are you Amalia Johnson?
No, I am not.
You must be Austin Milan.
Yes, it's a pleasure to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
I thought Dan Leonel would be with you.
Oh, yes, Harry is running a little late. He'll be here shortly.
I see, that's okay.
Shall we have a coffee while we wait?
That sounds nice.
Dealing with worries.
Hi, Martin. How's it going? You look nervous.
Hi, Scott. I'm about to meet Dr. Robert, our science professor.
What for?
I'm not doing well in that class. I want to drop it.
What's the big deal?
I've never done this before. What should I say?
Just tell her the truth. I'm sure you're not the first student to drop her class.
Good point. Thanks.
Chatting at the cafe.
Hi, I'm Jennifer. I'll be your waitress today. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, 3 coffees, please.
3?
Yeah, my friend should be here any minute.
Okay, I see. 3 coffees then. Anything to eat?
No, nothing to eat, just the coffees, please.
Okay, 3 coffees coming up. Milk and sugar?
I'm not sure. Could you bring some on the side?
Sure thing. Got it.
Thank you.
Shipping inquiry.
Hello? Speedy Deliveries. This is Andy speaking.
Hi, this is Carolina from Columbus.
I have a question.
I see. What are you asking about?
We're collecting information about families.
How large is yours?
There are 7 of us.
Wow, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
4 are older, and 3 are younger. I'm the middle child.
Interesting. And which year were you born in?
I was born in 1994.
That's great, thanks for calling.
Classroom queries.
What time does class start?
It starts at 9 o'clock.
What classes are you taking?
Chemistry, English, and math.
When is the homework due?
It's due on Monday.
Where do you usually study?
In the library or at home.
How often do you practice?
Usually twice a week.
How long does the exam take?
About 90 minutes.
Can I borrow a pen, please?
Yes, here you go.
Can you help me out?
Sure, what do you need?
Could you help me with this question?
Okay, what's the problem?
Excuse me, can you help me out?
Sure, what do you need?
Thanks. I'm a new student here, and I can't find my classroom.
What class are you looking for? Math.
It's in room kilometer 5.
Where is that?
Hey, we're in the same class. We can go together. Thanks.
Oh, I'm Brenda.
Hi, I'm Virginia. Nice to meet you.
By the way, how long does math class last?
Every class lasts 45 minutes, then we have a 15-minute break.
Are you in any clubs?
I'm on the soccer team and in the school band.
Oh, I'm in the band too. When do we practice?
Practice starts at 2:30 in the auditorium and lasts until 5.
Where's the auditorium?
I'll show you later.
Oh, hey, we'd better get to class. It starts in 5 minutes.
Sure, let go.
First day of school.
I can't believe it's the first day of school again.
I know, summer went by so quickly.
How's your schedule for this semester?
Let's see. The first period is chemistry, then history, then music.
What time do you have lunch?
My lunch is from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. How about you?
What are you taking?
I'm taking geometry, physics, English, French, and my lunch is at noon.
What time is your English class?
My schedule says it starts at 1 o'clock. The teacher is Mr. Lucas.
Oh, I've heard that Mr. Lucas gives really difficult tests and lots of homework.
You're kidding. I think I'm ready for summer vacation already.
Catching up with friends.
Hey, Bobby, I haven't seen you in a while.
Oh, hey, Trozzy. I've been really busy lately.
Really? What's going on?
I'm in the orchestra, and we have a big concert next week.
You must be practicing hard. How often do you practice?
I have practice every day until 8 o'clock, so I don't get home until almost 9.
So that's why you look so tired.
Yeah, and I have to wake up at 5:30 for swimming practice.
Wow, so when do you have time to study?
Offering help.
Hey, can you help me out?
Sure, what is it all about?
Could you help me carry this equipment to the baseball field?
No problem. It looks pretty heavy.
By the way, how's the baseball team doing?
We're doing pretty well this year. We won our first 3 games.
Hey, that's really good. I wish our basketball team would win for a change.
What do you mean? We're terrible. We've lost every single game this year.
Okay, we're here. Can you put the bag down on the ground over there?
Sure. Well, good luck with the game on Saturday.
Thank you so much.
You too.
Making weekend plans.
Hey, what are you doing on Friday?
I don't have any plans yet. What's up?
Do you want to go see the new Sonic movie?
Oh, I saw that 2 weeks ago.
Well, what do you want to see? I heard the new comedy with Queen Latifah's pretty good.
Okay, let's see that. It probably starts at 7 o'clock, so I'll pick you up at 5:30.
School call.
Good morning, Central High School.
Hi, this is Dana Phillips. My son, Paul, is a first-timer at your school.
Yes, Mrs. Annabelle. How can I help you this morning?
I'm calling to let you know that my son is sick today, so he won't be going to school.
Oh, I'm very sorry to hear that.
Could you please let his teachers know?
Yes, we'll inform them that Paul won't be in class today.
Also, his friend Valentina will pick up his homework assignments for him.
Okay, ma'am. I hope your son feels better tomorrow. Thank you.
Teacher-student conversation.
Ken, could you come here for a second?
Yes, Mrs. Nicole.
I'd like to talk to you about your grade in this class.
I know I'm not doing very well.
You haven't done your homework this week, and you look very tired in class.
I'm sorry. I've been studying late at night, so I'm a little tired in the morning.
You should start getting more sleep. I want you to concentrate in my class.
Yes, ma'am. I'll do my best.
Concerned friends.
Sean, can I borrow your eraser?
Sure, here you have it.
How did you do on the test last week?
Not so good. I think I failed it.
Why didn't you study?
Of course, I did. I studied for about an hour.
Only an hour? You'd better get it together and work harder. The semester ends soon.
I know. It ends next month. Then summer vacation. Thank you for watching and listening. Click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for more videos. Don't forget to like, drop your comments and share. See you in the next video.